Welcome to How to Configure CA Business Intelligence for LDAP Authentication. There are two parts to this configuration. The first part uses the Business Object Central Management Console to configure the authentication. The second part involves configuring CA Service Desk Manager to integrate with CA Business Intelligence using LDAP authentication. For the first part, log into the Business Object Central Management Console as administrator. Under Manage section, select Authentication. In the Authentication window, double-click the LDAP tab. Click on the Start LDAP Configuration Wizard button. In the Add LDAP Host field, add the host name of the Active Directory server along with the port number. Click the Add button. Then click on Next. Select the LDAP server type from the drop-down. If you are using Windows Active Directory, select Custom. Then click Next. In the Base LDAP Distinguished Name field, enter the search base. Then click Next. In the Distinguished Name field, enter the LDAP DN of the user who has access to the LDAP server. In the Password field, enter the password for this admin user. In the LDAP referral credentials should generally be left blank unless the following are true. 1. The primary host has been configured to refer to another directory server that handles queries for entries under a specified base. 2. The host being referred to has been configured to not allow anonymous binding. And 3. A group from the host being referred to will be mapped to Business Objects Enterprise. Otherwise, just click on Next. In the Type of SSL Authentication field, enter Basic, no SSL, and click Next. In the Authentication field, enter Basic, no SSO, and click Next. In the LDAP Aliases configuration screen, it is recommended to leave the default settings. Click Next. Then click Finish. This will display all the settings under the LDAP tab. In the Managed LDAP Members group, specify the LDAP group name which has users who need access to CA Business Intelligence. This group should be a group at member level. Enter the CN or the DN of the group and click on Add. Then scroll down and click the Update button. Along the left side of the screen, click on the Home link to go back to the main page of the Central Management Console. Now we'll start the process to configure user aliases. Select Users and Groups. From the list of users, if you have a matching LDAP user, double-click on the name, for example, Administrator. In the User Detail screen, scroll down and click on New Alias. In the account name, enter the user ID and click Update. It will fetch the user information and assign the alias. After assigning the LDAP alias, you can disable Enterprise Authentication. Now you can log into InfoView using LDAP authentication. Now it is necessary to configure Service Desk Manager to use the LDAP authentication. The following steps are to configure the CA Business Intelligence options in Service Desk Manager for LDAP authentication. First, you need to log into Service Desk with a user associated to the administrator's role. Go to the Administration tab and select Options Manager. Scroll down and select Web Report. Right-click on the BO Server Auth option and select Edit. Change the value to SEC LDAP and then click the Save button. Click the Refresh button and close the window. To put the option into effect, it is necessary to log off Service Desk and recycle Service Desk services. For more information on using Business Objects Reporting and the Central Management Console, please sign up for the CA Service Desk R12 Reporting 300 class. And for more information on using the CA Service Desk Manager Options Manager, please look into the CA Service Desk Manager R12.6 Administration 200 class. For more information on both of these classes and other classes on Service Desk Manager, please refer to the website at www.ca.com/education. Thank you for taking the time to view this brief video on how to configure CA Business Intelligence to use LDAP authentication.